Alright, is this thing on? Today is Sunday, January 21st, 2018. I just decided to do a quick walk around of my car since a few people had asked for it. My buddy Chris was in town this week, just dropped him off at the airport this morning actually, and he borrowed the car for a one-day long road trip. He took the car to Monument Valley in southern Utah, which is an 851-mile round-trip drive. Not something for the faint of heart, but he's an avid road tripper. So the car fared pretty well, including a 17-mile dirt road drive that he took. Just getting a chance now to clean off some of the red dirt that he collected that day. Cars seem to perform well for him, so I'll do a quick run through of some wear and tear items, as you would come to expect from a car that's 24 years old with over 500,000 miles on it. Alright, the front bumper cover, I missed a bug. The front bumper cover has been ripped off a couple of times on curbstones, so it's not looking too hot these days. Probably needs a respray. It's already been done twice over the excuse me, over the life of this car. Otherwise, the body is actually pretty nice. It's a California car originally for its first 9 years. Then I had it in Utah for a couple years, and then it's been in Arizona since 2005, end of 2005. Wheels have been refinished all the way around through alloy wheel repair specialists. There's also been some paint work done on the top panels. The clear coat on the roof and hood were starting to fail, so those have been reconditioned. The back end of the car is all original paint. It's a nice day in Phoenix today, maybe 70 or so degrees. It's why we live here, even though it's cooking all summer. I didn't go out on this detail. I just did a wipe down and did some attention on the interior. But I will show you those areas. I keep the wheel wells even pretty clean, if you can notice. Probably not very easily, but I just have that tradition, and once you've done it once, they stay pretty clean. Interior wise, the leather in here was redone about maybe 12 or 13 years ago now, with the cat skin kit, showing some wear and tear on the driver's side bolster here. It's a two-tone setup that my brother installed for me back in the day that's actually still looks pretty good. This is just some random nerdy dealership plastic that I picked up on a 200-foot long roll that I'm still going through. Door panels, nothing in here's really changed. There's a hole in my floor mat from my heel, 500,000 miles worth. I do have a set of brand new mats in the trunk that come out for shows and special occasions. There she is, the signature from Mr. Shigeru Yuhara. He was the lead project man on the NSX and the S2000, so was very honored to meet him in 2010 at Honda headquarters for an S2000 meetup. So today, 558577. Ooh, the seat's got a lot of leather conditioner on it still right now. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So pretty drama-free ownership experience on this one. Still gets me from A to B anytime I want to go. Take a peek under the hood, trunk, whatever else you want to see. This is going to be a mess in here. There's the floor mat I was telling you about. Extra set, this is the original window sticker, or rather a copy thereof. Car stickered at 41,885 in 1994. VIN 0832 production number. Cool, cool. old subwoofer box back when I was a 21-year-old in college needing a little more bass. Kind of grown out of that, but I haven't gotten around to removing the aftermarket head unit from the car. But she purrs. I do have the factory Bose double din in my closet, so one of these days I will go ahead and swap that out, get everything back to stock configuration in here. Totally stock engine, 3.2 liter Type 2 V6, 230 horsepower. Little bit of damage here on the radiator support. The car hit two deer in Texas about 11 years ago, and that has never quite been the same since. I'm even missing some hardware here. So she ain't perfect, that's for sure, but for the age and miles, I guess it's all right. I do get a little bit of oil burning lately, especially after it idles like this for a while. But all in all, if I just keep an eye on the level, which I really don't ever have to add anything, it drives and runs just as well as I remember it driving 15 years ago when I bought it with 95,000 miles. So it's been around the block a few times since then. Anyway, that's my Legend. Oh yeah, there's that old thing in there. Anyway, Legend will always be my fave. Over and out. Alright, I just finished a one-step cleaner wax on the Legend, so I'll show you the results. Not too shabby. That's a wrap.